Now, Splunk is a company that I track pretty closely, and Splunk's had a really interesting couple of months. Kind of on an abrupt basis, Splunk CEO Doug Merritt stepped down. That was after a long run. Doug is someone that I've spoken to many times. He's been on my show. He's been on 6 5, our event and on our summit. He's been a keynote, and he's been a good leader. I someone that I really admire, and he's a fellow Austinite here. But you know what? Change happens. And so now Graham Smith, he's taken the interim CEO and chair role at Splunk. And this all happened during this quarter. So let's talk a little bit about what happened. Over the last couple of years, Splunk is not a company that's making profits yet. It's growing fast. It's been focused on fast growth. And that's been what I think the market wants to see. In this quarter, it saw its cloud recurring revenue, which again, this is a company that pivoted from a license and prem model to a fully cloud and ARR model over the last year. It saw its cloud ARR jump 75% to over $1 billion. It saw its net new cloud ARR grow 107% in the third quarter. It's thinking that it's going to be at about a 70% cloud mix in its Q4, which is coming up, and it's believes that its cloud business is going to hit $2 billion in the next fiscal year. So while it's definitely getting to that time where people are wondering, hey, when is Splunk going to start making money? What's going on? It's had a lot of changes at the leadership ranks. Doug had left, their CTO, Tim Tully, had left. But in terms of its numbers, the company seems to be doing well. ARR growth across the board, cloud growth, total revenue growth. In this quarter, it was up about 20% to 665 million. And another area that I've been really watching is customer with large spend growth. And that means, customers spending over $1 million. The company has seen 270 customers in the cloud now that are spending more than a million. That's a 96% growth, and 635 overall customers with ARR above a million. That represented 3% growth. So Splunk doing pretty well, but the share price is not. And so that means the market's still looking for something else. I think the changes in leadership have probably been a big driver. Of course, like I said, the market volatility and some of the negative sentiment towards growth that has happened over the last month have all been factors in what's driving Splunk down. But if you believe in the whole data to everything and the importance of data and enabling a strategy to an enterprise to run and to be successful and to be secure and to manage operations on a global scale, Splunk is in a great spot when it comes to observability, and that company has continued to perform, continued to grow, but it's one of those ones I believe you're going to have to be a little bit more patient with.